Welcome back to Health and Technology TV, where modern health meets modern life. Today, we're diving into a topic that doesn't get enough attention, but deserves all of it. We're talking about lactation rooms at work and how technology is finally stepping up to support nursing moms in meaningful, respectful ways. If you're new here, be sure to hit subscribe and tap the bell, because we break down real solutions that make life healthier and smarter. Every year, millions of new moms return to work, many within just weeks of giving birth. Breastfeeding or pumping at work is a major challenge. It's physically demanding, time-consuming, and emotionally taxing, especially when the space provided is inadequate. Now imagine doing that in a supply closet with a folding chair and no lock on the door. Unfortunately, that's still the reality in many workplaces. That's where lactation room technology is changing the game. So what exactly are we talking about when we say tech-enabled? It's more than just an electrical outlet and a mini fridge. We're talking about smart scheduling systems, comfortable ergonomic pumping stations, UV sanitizing storage for pump parts, temperature-controlled milk storage, and even private app-controlled entry access. Let's take a closer look at each upgrade and why it matters. Time is everything for a nursing mom. Modern lactation rooms can now be booked like conference rooms using mobile apps or integrated office platforms like Outlook or Google Calendar. This reduces stress and avoids awkward hallway negotiations with coworkers. It also gives moms a clear expectation. This is your time, and it's protected. If your workplace has a room but no booking system, share this video with HR. Change starts with awareness. Lactation isn't just about the pump, it's about the person. Upgraded rooms now feature reclining, easy-to-clean chairs, adjustable tables for pump placement, gentle lighting to support relaxation, and white noise machines for privacy. These little changes make a huge difference in milk supply and comfort. Want our checklist of ergonomic essentials? Comment comfort, and we'll send it to you via our newsletter. Cleaning pump parts at work is one of the most frustrating parts of the process. UV sanitizing units can clean and dry parts in minutes without the need for soap, sinks, or microwave steam bags. It's fast, it's safe, and it removes a major hygiene concern from the equation. Let us know in the comments, would your workplace benefit from this upgrade? A shared office fridge? No thanks. Moms deserve a dedicated space to safely store expressed milk. Many fridges designed specifically for breast milk now come with temperature control, security locks, and built-in temperature logging for compliance. In industries where safety and regulation matter, like healthcare or aviation, this is a must. Share this with your facilities team. Sometimes they just don't know what's possible. One of the most reported concerns among nursing moms is privacy. App-controlled locks allow moms to enter securely, while also showing when the room is occupied, without sticky notes or in-use signs. Some systems even offer two-way alerts, so moms can notify facilities if something's wrong or missing. This is about dignity, and technology makes it easy. Providing a quality lactation space isn't just a feel-good move, it's smart business. Companies that support nursing moms see higher employee retention, increased productivity, reduced absenteeism, and better morale. It also demonstrates compliance with labor laws, which in many countries now mandate adequate lactation accommodations. Technology can't solve everything, but when combined with empathy and intention, it can make life significantly better for working moms. The future of workplace wellness is inclusive, and that includes motherhood. If this helped you understand lactation room tech upgrades or gave you ideas for your company, give this video a thumbs up. It helps us reach more people. Subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with someone in HR, leadership, or design, the people who can make real change. Got questions about lactation tech or workplace wellness? Drop them in the comments. We read every one. Until next time, stay informed, stay compassionate, and keep watching Health and Technology TV.